We are living in the most connected era in human history. You can text someone across the globe in milliseconds, yet millions of people go to sleep every night feeling utterly deeply alone. Why? Because being connected is not the same as being understood. Loneliness is not just a sad feeling, it's a modern epidemic. Philosophers call it the poverty of the soul. Scientists call it a biological warning system. But today we are going to talk about the raw truth behind loneliness, why society is actually making money off your isolation, and how you can break free. Let's look at the science first. Evolutionarily, human beings survived because we lived in tribes. If you were kicked out of the tribe, you died. So your brain developed a mechanism. When you are isolated, it triggers a stress response. Studies show that chronic loneliness triggers the same flight or fight responses as physical danger. It raises cortisol levels and causes inflammation. In fact, scientists argue that chronic loneliness is as damaging to your health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Your brain is literally screaming, find your people, you are in danger. But let's look at the philosophy. The great philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche once said, solitude is one thing, loneliness is another. Loneliness is the fear of being alone. Solitude is the joy of being alone. Somewhere down the line, we forgot how to enjoy our own company. We became terrified of our own thoughts. Now, here is the mystery and the dark truth. Why is loneliness growing so fast today? Because loneliness is highly profitable. Think about it. There is a whole industry built on your isolation. AI companion apps charge you a monthly subscription just so you have an artificial voice to talk to. Rent a friend services charge you by the hour for basic human interaction. Dating apps keep you single because if you find love, they lose a customer. It has become normal to monetize basic human connection, and honestly, that is deeply wrong. As humans, we have a moral duty to give each other company. Human warmth should not have a price tag. When we start charging money just to listen to someone's pain, we lose our humanity. Loneliness has been weaponized by capitalism to make you buy things you don't need, to fill a void that objects can never fill. So, how do we fix this? How do we escape the loneliness trap without spending a single dime? Step number one is shift from loneliness to solitude. Stop running away from yourself. Put the phone down and sit in a room and learn to listen to your own mind. When you become your own best friend, nobody can make you feel lonely. Step number two is build micro connections. You don't need a massive friend circle. Talk to the barista, greet your neighbor, have a real unfiltered conversation with a family member. Small, genuine interactions rewire your brain to feel safe. Step number three, stop buying the illusion. Recognize when an app or a product is trying to replace human touch. Delete the artificial substitutes and go out into the real world. Step number four is be the solution. If you are lonely, find someone else who is lonely and give them your time. Volunteer, help a stranger, or just listen to a friend. The easiest way to cure your own isolation is to help someone else's. You are not broken because you feel alone. You are just human living in a world that forgot how to be human. Don't let them sell you the cure to a problem they created. Seek real faces, build real bonds, and remember your presence is valuable. Give it to someone who needs it for free. Because at the end of the day, the best things in life are not things, they are people. Stay grounded. See you in the next video.